Hello guys, welcome back to Chickadeea. Here's a cute artwork for Mother's Day or any other day to surprise your mommy. You can color this in 3 different ways: polar bears, pandas, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the grizzly bear version. Let's get started.
Chickadeea!
Let's start by drawing a big circle. Take a bowl or any other circular object. A nice neat circle. Firstly, I'm going to start with the mama bear's head. So at this position, let's draw a nice circle. Not too big, not too small. Now from here, draw a tiny horizontal line and then a curve joining like this. Join the circle. A tiny nose at the tip. 2 ears, one at the back, other in the front. A closed eyelid, a simple curve, and another curve, a smile. That's it. Now follow the same steps for the cub as well. Just flip it, and obviously smaller in size, almost half the size of the mama bear's head. Nose, 2 ears, back and front, eyelid, and a smile. From the back of the head here, draw 2 furrow-like lines spiking outwards, and then a big curvy line for its back, all the way touching the outer circle and extending it like this. This is the hand holding the cub, very simple, and the other one behind it. Observe the leg. Start from here like this, and the foot. Streamline all the lines for a smoother appearance. Similarly, let's do the cub's back now. Furry spikes and a big curvy back. Neck. Add nails on the paws and a line separating the chest. Erase all the extra lines before doing the black outlines. Let's do the outlines now. Start by coloring the nose area, the chest, and the inner ears light brown. Rest of the body with a regular shade of brown, and finish off with some shading. Then fill the outer circle with gray. Let's make it interesting by adding more elements to it. Take a dark brown marker and draw a snake line like this. Draw another similar line, intertwining the first line. It looks like a DNA structure, right? This is a vine creeper. Let's add some leaves. Small leaves, single ones, in couple, just random leaves, and some falling leaves. Outlines. Wow! This looks so beautiful. Such a warm feeling. Makes me wanna hug my mommy right now. Hope you liked it, and do surprise your mom with this cute art, and also like this video, share it and subscribe.